Thick boy. Look at this guy. Hi. Hi, baby. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming out. He sees the camera and he's coming out. He's coming out for me. Coming out for me. Hi. Oh, wow.
Oh, he's coming out.
That's really neat.
Hello.
They're much more active in here than a lot of places they go to.
Heck is that? Oh, that plant is cool. Is that fake?
Oh, there he goes.
Slithers under it.
He's on the other side.
Hey.
He's so big.
They sing with their gas bladder to woo apart.
Look, there's a fish in there. Wait, what? There's a fish in there?
Yeah, they're little.
I didn't
They're at
see
the
them.
bottom.
Oh,
But are they emerald green?
How tiny it's little Nemo.
oh, I like this.
Oh, that's
Fish.
beautiful.
Who they are?
You see the seahorses?
Yeah.
Guys, I found Dory, and they all. Guys, when I all.
Miller, did you see the seahorse?
No,
There's two of them right
they blend in.
Yeah, they did.
He's like,
Those are beautiful.
his tail is
I
like
found a little
wrapped
crab. I
around.
found a little crab.
The light, like, the ones
I found a little crab, guys. Guys, look, I found a little crab. Do you see him?
Right here?
No, in that rock.
He's like,
Oh, I see.
he's like
You
colorful.
see how his like tail's like wrapped around that, like all the way around it?
Yeah, guys, look. Whenever I walked over here, they all went in their whole watch. Oh, never mind. They know me now.
Those are pretty color. The coral
Very-
white.
Tarantulas. I found a mine. Guys, I found a poison dart frog. Or leopard gecko. Where the heck are they? He's so cute. Guys, I found a poison dart frog. Poison dart frog.
Is the frog out?
Yep. There.
Oh, wow.
In the
Oh,
water.
he's so cool. Is that a poison dart frog?
Yeah. That's a
Yeah,
leopard
poison
thing.
dart frog. Oh my
There's a
gosh, he's so
tarantula in there.
Look at that little thing.
I like this. He's right there.
Right there.
I would hold one of those. If that's not the poison.
What is it?
Don't pick them up or move them. Just touch them.
I know.
Look, there's one.
Yeah, you can touch the middle crab, but not crab. What's in here? What's in here? I see a cricket. I see a cricket, guys. I see a cricket. Is that the exhibit? Cricket? It's probably in there, whatever it is.
It's at
What's in
15
here?
minutes. You might as well just maybe make another loop around.
What's in here?
Yeah,
Yeah, because then we need to start heading back, and then we'll probably have to come back because there's another room.
alligators.
There's another room.
What the heck? He's fat. He's a fat one. This guy's weird.
He's so cool.
Look how fat. Look how bloated he looks.
What was it? We had recording that had like a.
I know, he looks weird. Got a nice fish.
Is that spider crab?
Look at that little catfish thing.
That one's pretty.
This is like the river.
That one's
Isn't this supposed to kind of look like a river, Mommy? Guys, I want to find the ropefish. Where the heck is the ropefish? Oh, guys. Oh, sorry. These are babies of the ones that we saw earlier. They're all following each other. It's the herd. They follow the herd. Look who this anemone is.
Don't touch the tank.
I'm not. Look who the anemone is.
Did you see this? Wow.
I didn't see that.
And there's this one.
Yeah, that's the albino. That's really like.
Yeah.
How do they get in there?
Golden albino oxalot.
Those are so cool.
Look at this one.
Wait, is that supposed to be in there?
Yes, I'm sure.
Because they'd probably find it out. Probably what they're used to. want to show you this. Do I like the camera? Because they're coming out whenever I come up to them. His teeth. He's vicious. Look how big this guy is. This is a common snapping turtle, but he's big. He's like, why are you looking at me? He's like, why are you bullying me? He's like, why are you looking at me? He's like dead staring at me. He's like, why? Why are you bullying me? Gray rat snake? I said gay rat snake. Gray rat snake. Found him. Here comes the herd. Yeah. Hi guys. Oh, those backies. These guys are so cute. They're so cute. Everything in here is so adorable.
They're so cute. I love the light gray ones.
Like, they're so smooth. These ones are extra smooth because they're like just like
They're little babies, yeah.
they just follow each other. They're like playing like tag. They're just running. Mine, did you touch this, Mine? Oh my. Mine, did you touch this? Mine, look. See, there's a crab.
Yep. That's neat.
He's like rough. He feels like spiky.
That's neat.
Try feel a crab.
Yeah.
He's a big boy. He's actually pretty small. Mine, what's this?
Just have like little
I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh,
A moss.
it's pretty much, isn't it?
Richard and Mark, and then we're gonna go.
Oh wow, I didn't even see that. Daddy, can you please hold this real quick? Can you hit the stop button?
hit the stop button.